Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a closet declutter. As you can see, my closet needs it, and so I'm going to be tackling that task today. Many reasons why I am doing a declutter. One, it's like long overdue. I've got a pile of like clothes. You know how some people have got like that chair with like all those like clothes like stacked up to the top? I don't have a chair in our room for that, but I've got a section in my closet where it's like this little nook, and I've just piled and piled and piled things on there to the point I'm like digging through just to find something. So we're gonna do that today. We're gonna declutter, we're gonna organize, we're gonna get my life together wardrobe wise, and yeah, and I thought, like, why not bring you along on this little journey today. So basically I share a closet with my husband, so his section is just over here and mine is just behind over there. So another reason why is because half the things I feel in my wardrobe were pre-pregnancy clothes, and I haven't actually gone through to declutter all those and actually try things on to see if it actually fits my new body. I say new bodies because my hips have expanded from pregnancy, and yeah, I know that there's some pants that don't fit anymore, but I'm sure I will get the chance to wear it again. I don't know. So we'll see what happens. Other than that, do consider subscribing before we jump into this video for more content like this. It'll be really fun to have you part of the journey and part of the family, as well as thumbs up this video and let me know how excited you are in the comments to see decluttering organization videos, just because the satisfaction you get at the end of watching this, so good. So let's jump into this video. Isn't this just fabulous? Lovely. Just kidding, we are going to clean this out today. So here we're in my wardrobe, my section of the wardrobe anyway. So as you can see, there's just like stuff everywhere. I'm honestly really nervous to kind of get into this because I know it's a huge job and I've been putting it off for so long, but we are finally doing it today. So this is the pile I'm talking about, where a lot of people would have that chair or something where they usually just like pile clothes on. If you're not any of those people, like, bless you, because that's incredible discipline and organizational skills that I would love to have. So basically this is that pile over here where I've just like piled things on, and I really want to just get all this sorted today. So join me as we just do that. All right. I'm nervous. All right, this blazer. Ew, another blazer. I do want to keep these. I also want to keep this. Oh, of course, leather jacket. I have to. Okay, so my pile of keep stuff will be maybe here. Maybe. Spare hangers. Ooh. This dress over here. Dang, I don't know if I can wear this. I guess I could try it on. Okay, try on. Ooh, I remember this. Maybe I'll try it on. Dang, it's like I'm shopping in my wardrobe. Ew, it's still got the tag on it. Still got the tag on it. Oh my gosh. Well, this dress is actually like two-way. This way and then this way at the front. Ew. All right, let me try this on as well. See how they go.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
My jeans. My jeans. Ooh. I don't know if I can fit these anymore. Let's make a jeans pile so we can try on all my jeans.
My eyes. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty. I got the black eye. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight.
This jacket. I like this jacket. Yeah, I'll keep that.
I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
Ah, my back. Alright, well that's not the end, even if it feels like it is. Oh, these are all my dresses. Oh. Oh. Alrighty, I'm definitely keeping my coats and jackets, so I put that there. Alright, so this pile here is all for trying on again, because these things, I don't know if these fit after my pregnancy body. Just organize it in categories. I roughly know what it is, so there's a method to my madness right now. Basically any shorts pile, graphic tees, track pants, and like sweats. Basic like t-shirts, singlets, tanks, flannels. This is just basic. I know I really want. I'm gonna keep this, like no questions about it. That is just to put in the wash, because I was like, oh, I forgot that this was here and that probably needs a wash. This is just all my jackets and stuff, and then my jeans are over there. These are just all my maternity clothes. That is the giveaway pile for now. Yeah, it's literally only 3 items, but of course there's probably some of these things that could be added to that as well, but I don't know yet because I need to try them on. it. Thank you guys so much for joining for this video of decluttering my closet. It was definitely a challenge. It took I'd say a good week to finally get through all of it, and I wouldn't even say that is like completely done. I still have like all of my spring summer clothes under my bed as well. And yeah, so stay tuned for future videos regarding that kind of stuff. If you do like closet decluttering kind of videos, give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment down below what kind of shops you like to shop at, because I would love to know. And once again, do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a video that I create. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Try again. Do I like the spin in? Like boop. Hello and welcome to my closet. Ouch. Okay, try again. Hello and welcome. Okay, let's try it again. Hello and welcome to my closet. So today we are